Well, congratulations on completing the course. Uh, this is the conclusion of Introduction to the Raspberry Pi. You've learned the equipment you need to get started, some things you may have around the house, and some things you may not have around the house that you need to get, some different possible options of getting the best deal and getting all the stuff that's going to work for you best for your project. You've learned how to install using Noobs, new out-of-the-box software, and you've learned how to install using Berry Boot and also some of the other features of Berry Boot, backup, and having multiple operating systems on one card or one flash drive. You've learned some reasons why you would want to use one over the other, pros and cons of both ways. You've learned some first steps that you should take when you boot up for the first time, some things to keep your system up to date and secure. And you've learned some basic Linux commands so you can get around at the command line. And you've also learned some ways to get more information on commands that you may want to use or you may be curious about different switches and options that are available. And that wraps up the introduction to the Raspberry Pi. If there's anything you would like to see covered in the future Raspberry Pi projects, please drop me a line. Also consider rating this course. I always welcome feedback and encourage everyone to give an honest rating and an honest review of the course. Good luck with your Raspberry Pi projects.